for talented individuals to turn their skills and expertise into a lucrative source of income. Making $2,000 per week on Fiverr is achievable with dedication, strategy, and a commitment to delivering high-quality services. In this video, we'll outline a step-by-step guide on how to use Fiverr to reach that $2,000 per week goal. To motivate us, if your heart permission you to subscribe our channel, so please do not forget to subscribe us. Thank you. Create a standout profile. Your Fiverr profile is your digital storefront. Make it appealing by using a professional photo, crafting a compelling bio, and showcasing your skills. Highlight your expertise and past achievements. Clients are more likely to hire freelancers with detailed and trustworthy profiles. Select a profitable niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial for reaching your income goal. Opt for a niche where you have solid skills and experience. Specialization can help you stand out and attract clients looking for your specific talents. Create highly marketable gigs. Gigs are the services you offer on Fiverr. To make $2,000 per week, create gigs that are in demand. Research popular keywords related to your niche and incorporate them into your gig titles and descriptions. Clearly state what clients can expect and offer competitive pricing. Showcase a stellar portfolio. Building trust is essential. Upload samples of your previous work to your Fiverr portfolio. High-quality visuals and detailed descriptions will give potential clients a clear idea of your capabilities. Strategize your pricing. Pricing can significantly impact your earnings. At the beginning, you might need to offer competitive rates to attract clients and build your reputation. As your positive reviews and experience accumulate, gradually increase your prices. Deliver exceptional service. Going above and beyond is key to securing repeat business and positive reviews. Communicate effectively with clients, meet deadlines, and ensure the quality of your work exceeds expectations. Promote your gigs. While Fiverr can bring in clients organically, self-promotion can boost your visibility. Share your gig links on social media, forums, and other relevant platforms. Networking and referrals can also help attract clients. Upsell and offer packages. Increase your earnings by offering upsells or packages. If you're a graphic designer, for example, consider providing add-on services like rush delivery or additional revisions for an extra fee. Provide outstanding customer service. Client satisfaction is paramount. Address client messages promptly, handle revisions professionally, and ensure a smooth and positive experience for each client. Encourage reviews and ratings. Positive reviews and ratings build credibility. Politely request clients to leave reviews and rate your services after successful projects. The more positive feedback you accumulate, the more appealing you become to potential clients. Optimize your gig performance. Regularly analyze your gig performance. Make improvements based on client feedback and evolving market trends. Experiment with different gig titles, descriptions, and pricing to find what works best. Maintain consistency and persistence. Consistency is key to steady income on Fiverr. Continue to deliver exceptional service, and don't be discouraged by slow periods. Building a sustainable income takes time and persistence.